What is going on, everyone? Dev the Michigander here, coming at you from 4 Mars Nature Preserve Center here in Burton, Michigan. It's a really cool place. We can come and see nature. It's like walking trails. They have a tree house. They have animals inside that we're going to go take a look at here in a minute. We're just going to enjoy the day here in nature. So let's go. Got some different animals. Coyote, goats, bobcat, possum, nice. Just some taxidermy triplet fawns over here. It's kind of sad. And over here, you should just bird watch and animal watch right out the door. And look at that river. It was just a cardinal right up there that we missed. Oh, that's right down there. And there's an ant. Right now they're over here feeding all the animals that they have here. This is their whole collection of taxidermy. There's the cardinal right there. Over there we got a squirrel munching on some, looks like some bird feed. Now this is not an albino. It's a blonde black bear. Some ivory head roaches over here digging around. Okay. Alright, now that we're done looking inside at all the animals, it was really quiet in there, so I didn't want to disturb all the animals. I wanted to be a little quiet while I was in there. So sorry if you guys couldn't hear my voice, but yeah, it was really quiet in there. There was other people with like they were teaching little kids some things in there, so I didn't want to be too loud. So be respectful. But they do have a garden back here. Of course, it's not really blooming because it's just starting to turn spring here in Michigan. And you can come watch birds. That's a really cool fountain right there. Come look at the river or the creek down here. Alright, we are now walking to the treehouse. There are 7 miles of trails here, but I am going to tell you guys I am coming back in the summertime to show you the summer views. Now we're walking up to the treehouse. This treehouse was actually built by the people from Treehouse Masters, the TV show. They said they could let us in, but I didn't want to disturb them. They were all on lunch, so we're just going to go inside and take a peek in. They still got all their Christmas lights up as well. Well, I don't think we'll be walking on those trails. It's pretty muddy down over there. Pretty muddy. Let's go take a quick peek inside. Looks like just one big room where you can observe the outside. It looks like they might have some classes in here. Well, that's kind of creepy up there, those heads. Too, I don't know if you can see those heads up there, but it's kind of creepy. And that's like with the other place I went to in Saginaw. They do build this around the trees. They do not harm the trees. Build around. Alright guys, I was hoping to film a little more for you guys. This is going to be a little bit of a short video because it is really cold out. When you think you have a beautiful day, like 60 degrees in Michigan, the wind kicks in and then it turns into like 40, 30 degrees. The wind does not help. Wind does not help whatsoever here in Michigan. As you can hear it probably blowing around. It does not help at all. I think we're gonna walk back up and possibly end the vlog because I'm gonna have to come back here during the summertime though. They do have a bulletin board of all of their stuff they have going on these next few months. Here's their 7 miles of trails. They do have another center you can go visit, but it's really cold and we're gonna have to come back during the summertime when it's a little warmer out. I'll give you guys a full tour of this whole place. And our shoes off of invasive species. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for me today here at the Fort Mars Nature Preserve. It's a very cold day, so we're gonna definitely come back another day during the summer. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, because you never miss a video if you subscribe. And with that being said, get your foot out the door and explore it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.